Hi guys, Welsh Win here. I'm not in Thailand, I'm in a chilly Melbourne, Australia. I arrived yesterday from Bangkok. It's about 13 degrees this morning, so all I had was a pair of shorts and some t-shirts. So I had to buy a cheap jacket just to keep me warm. But the weather's supposed to get better the next few days. The reason I'm here in Melbourne, two reasons. First of all, it's Melbourne, and secondly, there's a big event going on here this week, starting tomorrow, and that's the Melbourne Cup, the race that stops a nation. So I will be going there tomorrow for Derby Day, and also on Tuesday for the big one, the Melbourne Cup. So right, I'll show you around Melbourne as much as I can, and just to give you some prices, I flew from Bangkok via Singapore with Scoot Airlines, which is the cheap version of Singapore Airlines, but very, very good airline. I was very impressed with them. The flight from Bangkok cost me £367, which is about $450 return. Yeah, the airline was good. We got to Singapore 10 minutes early, and we got to Melbourne 30 minutes early. So yeah, very impressed. The only thing with like all the cheap airlines, they don't supply food. You've got to pre-order or buy from the menu on the plane. So Bowls Club. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of Melbourne, and then I'll show you where I'm staying. I'm here for 7 nights. Okay, catch you later. I'm now in St Kilda, or St Kilda Beach, the seafront suburb of Melbourne, and it took me 10 minutes on a tram from the Central Business District, and the tram ticket cost me 16 Australian dollars return. That's about £8.50, 12 US dollars return on the tram. Okay guys, so this is where I'm staying, in the Central Business District. It's a hostel called the Europa International Hostel. It's on Queen Street in the Central Business District. It's just about a 15-minute walk to Southern Cross Station and the bus terminal where you can catch the Sky bus to the airport. It's a nice hostel, very quiet, it's clean, comfortable, and you get a free breakfast. And I paid around 21 British pounds, which is about 25 US dollars a night. If you're looking for cheap accommodation, then yeah, this is a nice hostel to stay in. Okay guys, so that's a taste of Melbourne for you. Just some information from getting from the airport to the city centre of Melbourne. You can catch the Sky bus, which is a red bus, and it takes about 30 minutes to get into Southern Cross Station, and the ticket will cost you 22 Australian dollars one way. Okay, if you enjoyed that video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.